Are you seeing the Repair Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Before diving into the Repair Library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Repair Library. This library provides the foundational routines for the Windows automatic repair environment. It manages the localized verification of boot time configuration files and system registry integrity. While it is a standard system component, it is frequently called by third-party PC repair tools. Its absence is a critical failure that prevents the OS from executing self-healing routines after a crash. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Repair is maintained by Windows itself. Run the system file checker by typing sfc/scan, now in an elevated command prompt to detect and repair system-level file issues. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Repair Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Repair Library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to Repair Library and system libraries. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Repair Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.